So welcome to today's vlog. Today I'll be taking you with me to work. So this is the makeup, not so perfectly done, but it's going to serve the purpose. I also got these earrings from Dubois at 100 shillings. You can see they look really nice. I'll show you the outfit.
It was only a smile, but my heart went wild, and I wasn't expecting that. Just a delicate kiss, anyone could have missed, and I wasn't expecting that. When with the sign your head slipped into mine, and I wasn't expecting that. You spent the night in my bed, and you woke up and said, well, I wasn't expecting that. I come over man to life, oh honey, don't passing through. If I ever get the chance to ask, what did I do right? There's someone like you I wasn't expecting. Oh, isn't it strange how life can be changed in the flicker of the sweetest smile? We're married in spring, you know, and change it too. How a life can be changed. If I'd not taken the chance on a little romance when I wasn't expecting that. Well, it doesn't take long, 3 kids up and they're gone, and I wasn't expecting that. When the doctors they came, said it's come back again, well, I wasn't expecting that. When you closed your eyes, you took my heart by surprise, and I wasn't expecting that. La 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 la.
Woo!